Connecting a ThinkPad docking station to a MacBook Air or MacBook Pro can feel a bit confusing at first, mainly because these docks are originally designed for Windows laptops. You might plug everything in and expect it to work instantly, but sometimes displays don't show up, ports don't respond, or the connection feels incomplete. This usually comes down to compatibility, the type of cable you're using, or whether the right drivers or settings are in place. The good thing is that most modern ThinkPad docks can work with MacBooks if you set them up correctly. Once everything is connected the right way, you can use multiple displays, USB devices, and power all through a single connection, making your setup much cleaner and more efficient. Try these. Step 1. Connect the ThinkPad docking station to a power source. Step 2. Use a USB-C or Thunderbolt cable to connect the dock to your MacBook. Step 3. Attach your monitor, keyboard, and other peripherals to the dock. Step 4. Wait for macOS to detect the connected devices automatically. Step 5. Go to System Settings, then Displays to arrange and enable external screens. Step 6. Install any required display link drivers if displays are not detected.